AI engineering has become one of the fastest growing, most in-demand careers, but with so many courses out there, how do you pick the right ones to build real-world job-ready skills? In today's video, we're breaking down the 7 best online AI courses for AI engineering in 2026, all with free enrollment and strong learner ratings, so you can choose the ones that truly advance your career. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're exploring the 7 best online AI courses for AI engineering. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights, professional development advice, and course reviews. Let's get started. Number 1. IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This program has been taken by over 175,000 learners and delivers a full foundation in AI engineering. You'll cover neural networks, deep learning, and machine learning pipelines, using frameworks like PyTorch. Through hands-on labs and real-world projects, you'll build AI models from scratch, practical training that directly applies to engineering jobs. If your goal is enterprise AI with cloud deployment, the next certificate is ideal. Number 2. Microsoft AI and ML Engineering Professional Certificate. With more than 32,000 learners enrolled, this course emphasizes scalable AI in an enterprise environment. You'll dive into machine learning model building, deployment, and optimization using Microsoft Azure services. It's perfect for aspiring AI engineers who want to work on cloud-native AI projects in real business contexts. For a strong developer-oriented curriculum backed by IBM, you'll love what comes next. Number 3. IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate. This path has drawn over 202,000 learners. It's built for developers who want to shift into AI engineering. You'll build AI-powered applications with IBM Watson, Python, and AI APIs, including projects like chatbots, virtual assistants, image recognition, and more. Now, building AI models is one thing, but prompt engineering is becoming a core skill for generative AI. Let's turn to those next. Number 4. Prompt Engineering Specialization by Vanderbilt University. Taken by over 107,000 learners, this specialization teaches the art and science of crafting prompts. You'll explore structured prompting, multi-step task design, context setting, and how to reliably elicit accurate, high-quality responses from large language models. This is essential for engineers working with GPT-style models or any generative AI. If you want a more hands-on, project-based approach to prompt engineering, the next course is for you. Number 5. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers by Deep Learning AI. More than 151,000 learners have completed this practical project-based course. You'll write effective prompts, manage model output, and integrate ChatGPT into real applications. It's a great way to sharpen your skills in applying prompt engineering directly to development work. If you're just starting out and want a beginner-friendly way to master generative AI fundamentals, check out the next course. Number 6. Generative AI, Prompt Engineering Basics by IBM. This course is the most popular on our list, with over 537,000 learners enrolled. It covers the core ideas behind generative AI, how models work, how to design simple and effective prompts, and how to generate reliable, high-quality outputs. It's a fast, beginner-friendly way to launch into generative AI engineering. Lastly, understanding AI isn't just about writing models, you need to know how to scale and operate them in production. That's where infrastructure comes in. Number 7. AI Infrastructure and Operations Fundamentals by NVIDIA. Taken by over 68,000 learners, this course delves into the infrastructure side of AI engineering. You'll learn about GPUs, deployment in production, data pipelines, and how to scale AI workloads. It builds a strong foundation for engineers who want to oversee both model development and system operations in real-world environments. Have you taken any of these courses? If so, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear which ones had the biggest impact on your AI engineering journey. To enroll in any of these courses for free, check out our description below. We'll include direct enrollment links so you can get started right away. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly professional development course reviews, mini training lessons, and more AI engineering content. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for a wide selection of courses and career building resources. Thanks for watching, and here's to building the future with AI.